You ever wonder why your dog looks at you like you're their whole world? It's not just love, it's biology. When your dog stares into your eyes, both of you release oxytocin, the same hormone that connects a mother to her child. That's why one look feels like trust, peace, and home. They don't remember your words, they remember your energy, your scent, your voice, your footsteps. Their brain links all of it with safety and happiness. Dogs are pack animals. To them, you're not just an owner, you're their leader, their family. When you're sad, their brain feels it. When you smile, their heart reacts. So next time your dog runs to you, tail wagging like crazy, remember, it's not habit, it's bonding written in their brain. To them, you're not just human, you're home.